Okay guys, welcome back to Walk the Walk with Paul. Today we're doing the Fraughan Glen Waterfall loop, roughly around 9.5–10k. We hope to do it roughly in about, hopefully around 4 hours. At the minute the car park here is absolutely jammers and it's only 10 o'clock. Unfortunately there's a 5 peak challenge on here today, so that's why the car park is actually mega full. You won't actually get in. So if you're actually doing this, just try and check up and see what the story is. Today for this walk, definitely we're going to need your boots, your gaiters, all the usual stuff. Probably around 1.5 litres, 2 litres of water. Gaiters definitely for this one as well. The weather is, we're hoping it's going to pick up, but it's due for a bit of rain. At the moment we're just in the car park. I'm just going to give you a quick look at this car park here now. As you can see with the weather, car park is definitely full. Mist is up there in the mountains, and there's a tent over there, so probably might get an old curry when we come back. You never know. So far we're parked over the far side here. Just cross the river here with that little bridge, and that's where we are. Okay guys, it looks like we're starting off this way. It's the Miner's Way. Now just bear in mind here that you'll have to download your maps, because there is no signal down here. So we're on potluck terms here. Okay guys, catch us later. Bye bye. Okay guys, after taking the Miners route, we're coming up from here and taking the left and heading straight up this road now. Wow, we can't see you now, son. You look like one of those garden gnomes. Okay guys, we're going straight through these barriers here.
Hello.
How are you? This is where he ordered the rings. Santa must be Bilbo Baggins. Okay, we're going up to the right hand side of the fall here to bring us up to the top of the hill. Alright guys, catch you later. track now is getting a bit foggy as we're going up further, but we're nearly up to the top. Glad I wore the gaiters today. Rain is coming in, fog is coming in, so we're just up here in the trees. We're just going to bivvy up here for a small bit, and I head back here just so you can see Ray. Oh, what a great day to be in. Okay guys, visibility is down to maybe 10 or 12 feet. There's a hard old slog up there, so I'm going to have to keep this tight.
No thanks, no, I don't look fine. How it's look all the space you have.
Oh, it's great to be alive, that's all I'm going to say. Yay!
Oh my god.
Things are not looking good. Can we see some bones? Okay, starting to rain again. Fog is down to a couple of feet. We're walking off whistle calls now. It's getting pretty hectic. Right guys, we're coming off the mountain now. I'm just stopping in the forest to have a bit of a well-earned break. Okay, looking straight down now, down this way, and hopefully get onto a main track. Okay guys, we actually made it off the mountain, and I have to say, I will never be doing that walk again. It is so dangerous. There was no maps, no markers, no satellite. But I have to say, because we were experienced walkers, we'd have never done that. So if there's anybody out there that's willing to do it, if you're a beginner, don't even attempt it. Okay guys, catch us later. And just to let you know, if you can see up to the top of that mountain there with the fog, that's actually what we're after coming down through the forest. No footpath, no trails, an absolute nightmare. Don't come near this walk. You'll definitely twist or break a leg on this. Alright guys, catch you later. Oh my god, look at this. Okay guys, just to let you know, if you actually even ever attempt this, we just walked down this trail in front of us for about 1 kilometre and figured out we were going the wrong way, and this to the right on this dirt track here is actually the trail back to the car park. No signposts, no nothing. Alright guys, catch you later. Okay guys, just be careful on your when you start coming back here, because it's just all rocks like this. You can easily slip and break an ankle. Okay guys, that's it. Not many cars now left in the car park. I have to say, Oh my god, that was a good one. Hard, but good. Okay guys, that's it. 25,000 steps. Took us roughly around 7 hours. And to be honest with you, I wouldn't recommend this walk for any inexperienced walkers, because there's no signposts, there's no nothing. The reception here is very bad, and my god, this was a really tough one today. But bring on the Camino, we'll ace it, that's all I'm going to say. Other than that, starting to get dark now, so off to see the Ireland match. Alright guys, thanks for watching, see you soon, bye bye bye. Okay guys, I'd like to say thanks very much for the birthday cake, much obliged. See you all again next week, bye bye bye. Well, I have to say this is a great way to end the day. A nice slice of cake and an cup of coffee. Alright guys, thanks a lot, bye bye bye.